Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust touch controls of your Jaybird Run buds. First of all, you have to open this application, the Jaybird application, and you have to scroll down until you find the button controls. So as you can see right here, we got the default controls for the single press, and that's the left button. So when you press once on the left, we are going to activate the Google Assistant, and on the right we are going to accept or end call, or when we are listening to the music, we are gonna play or pause music. And that's also the second alternative controls. As you can see, it takes some time, so we have to just click and be patient a little bit. And right now we are able to volume down with the left button, by single press, and on the right we can accept and end call. So that's the same like on the first preset, but we can volume up when we are listening to the music. So yeah, as you can see, that's how we can do this. And there is no any personalized options, but that's how we can change this preset. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.